Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the story behind the tasty little shellfish that often find their way onto our plates. Shrimps. Shrimp are a diverse group of crustaceans belonging to the order Decapoda. They are characterized by their elongated bodies, sharp exoskeleton, and 10 legs, with the first few pairs typically being transformed into claws. Shrimp are widely consumed and are a significant part of the global seafood industry. Here are some common types of shrimp. The pink shrimp, tiger shrimp, prawns, brown shrimp, North Sea shrimp, the langoustine or Dublin Bay prawn, king prawn, and the white shrimp. But which one is the most popular? The most commonly consumed and widely popular shrimp species is the Pacific white shrimp, also known as white-leg shrimp, white shrimp, or king prawn. It's a species of prawn native to the eastern Pacific Ocean and is extensively farmed in various countries due to its relatively fast growth rate and adaptability to aquaculture settings. The Pacific white shrimp is known for its mild, slightly sweet flavor and firm texture, making it a favorite in many culinary dishes worldwide. It's a staple in seafood markets, restaurants, and households across the globe. And which one is the most expensive? These shrimp are renowned for their refined taste and are often considered a delicacy. They are hand-peeled, which is labor-intensive, contributing to the higher price. Moreover, they are fresher than many other shrimp species as they come from the North Sea and are processed shortly after being caught. This can make them considerably more expensive than other common shrimp species. The most expensive shrimp species is often the North Sea shrimp. Now let's get to the more interesting part. How does a shrimp farm operate, and what are the true rumors behind the shrimps we consume? Large shrimp used to only swim in the sea, but now they are being farmed. And there's a strange story going around. It's said that, in the case of the mother shrimp, an eye would be cut off to stimulate reproduction. An apparently unlikely rumor. Or is it true? FoodFact 4. You on how the shrimp industry is boosting birth rates. We can tell you, it's true. Removing an eye from the mother shrimp does indeed result in a significantly higher number of offspring. Some people do this because they want to produce a large number of eggs within a short period. Crazy, right? Let's talk about how such a shrimp farm operates. Commercial shrimp farming, also known as shrimp aquaculture, began in the second half of the 20th century. The deliberate cultivation of shrimp started as a response to the increasing global demand for shrimp, as well as the desire to reduce overfishing of wild populations. In the 1940 and 1950, pioneers in countries such as Japan and Ecuador began experimenting with shrimp cultivation. These experiments led to the development of efficient and commercial shrimp farming techniques in the 1960 and 1970, particularly in the 1980 and 1990. The shrimp farming industry grew exponentially, especially in Asian countries such as Thailand, China, Vietnam, and Indonesia. Continual advancements in technology, farming methods, and sustainable practices have further enhanced and expanded shrimp farming, enabling the year-round and large-scale production of shrimp to meet global demand. Shrimps are cultivated in controlled environments, such as culture ponds or tanks, where water quality and temperature are closely monitored. When the shrimps reach the desired size, they are harvested from the culture ponds or tanks. The harvested shrimps are sorted by size, quality, and health. Like wild-caught shrimps, farmed shrimps are cooked and rapidly cooled to prevent spoilage. The shrimps are peeled and their shells are removed at a processing facility. In automated peeling machines, the shrimps are mechanically peeled. The machines cut open the shell and remove it while keeping the shrimp meat intact. If necessary, the shrimps are deveined. This process is often automated. The peeled shrimp meat is sorted by size and inspected for quality before being packaged in various types of packaging, such as plastic bags, cans, vacuum-sealed packages, or frozen bags. At some locations, as Morocco, the shrimp are peeled and sorted by hand in large quantities. The killing treatment, so cooking of crustaceans such as crabs, lobsters, and shrimp should be reconsidered by the food industry as they are likely to experience pain. That's according to researchers led by Bob Elwood from Queen's University in Belfast, as published in the research Journal of Experimental Biology. This study examined the responses of common shore crabs to small electric shocks and their behavior after experiencing the shocks. Previous research by Elwood had already demonstrated that shrimp and hermit crabs react to pain stimuli. The experiment was designed in such a way that the difference between pain and reflex was clear. However, it remains challenging to determine when invertebrates experience pain, as scientists are not always certain about the distinction between reflex and pain. Nonetheless, the evidence supporting this is gradually accumulating thanks to studies of this nature. And with this, our shrimp journey comes to an end. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let us know what we should discuss next in the comments below.